So we can, for example, we have developed a few code in the studio that can be uploaded into Orchestrator. From there, you can edit the code into the Studio Web itself. Okay.
That is project tab. So if you want to create a new process, or if you use any existing templates, that will be shown here. See, I have used some of the templates and a new process there. So here it has listed out these all processes.
I have created one Google Sheet here, so I can extract the data to this sheet. So everyone, you can actually go to your Google Drive, and here you can create a sheet and you can keep it ready.
How to create, like not set variable to define a variable. How do I say that one? But yeah. What is the activity to loop through emails?
The one which we have used today is
For each.
So there are options available to, actually if we enter some text, what is the option available to delete the text before writing the new text?
Empty field.
So many empty field, yes.
Thanks to ST Global for such an amazing workshop. And also, not only the management, like the entire team, everyone explored the studio and like moving around to resolve the doubts, and like it's a very great effort team, and congrats on this amazing event.